Hello friends, today I'll give you the answers for the first 41 questions related to computer science that came in Junior Office Assistant 817 code paper from Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission. The series in question will be C series, so you can adjust the answers to the questions as per your particular series. So when we see the question booklet, the first question is, which of the following HTML tag is used to create a numbered list of items? The answer to this question is B, that is O1. Question 2 is, the concept of CAPTCHA is based on fill in the blank test to distinguish between human and machine operators. The answer to this question is D, Turing. Question 3. How many heading levels are supported by HTML? The answer to this question is C, that is 6. Question 4 is, which of the following is not a part of a URL? The answer to this question is again C, that is fragment. Question 5 is, which of the following is the HTML tag to create a data cell in a table? The answer to this question is option D. Question 6. Which of the following is the HTML tag to insert an image in the web page? The answer to this question is option A. In question 7, in a CSS style specified using the style attribute of the element. The answer to this question is option B. Question 8 asks, which of the following CSS properties is used to set space between the content and the border of an element? The answer to this question is B, padding. 9. Question 9 asks, how will you link an external JavaScript file with an HTML document? The answer to this question is A, using script element. Question 10. Which of the following HTML tags is used to create a hyperlink in the web page? The answer to this question is option C. Question 11. Which of the following is a voice-controlled digital assistant provided by Microsoft Windows 10? The answer to this question is option D, Cortana. Question 12. Which mode disables a device all the wireless transmission functions like cellular, radio, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? The option is D, airplane mode. Question 13. Which of the following is a Microsoft anti-malware that provides real-time protection against viruses, malware and spyware? The answer to this question is option B, Defender. The next question, question 14. Windows fill in the blank mode boots the computer using minimal functionality with limited number of running applications and processes. The answer to this question is A, safe. Question 15. Which of the following web browsers is installed by default in Windows 10? The answer is option A, Edge browser. Question 16. Which of the following is a free cloud storage service provided by Microsoft to store the personal files of the users? Answer is option D, OneDrive. Question 17. Which fill in the blank consists of quick actions area and the notification area to enable convenient access to them? The option to this question is B, taskbar. Question 18. Which of the following characters is not allowed in a file name in Windows operating system? Answer to this question is option D, that is dash sign. 19. Which of the following utilities is used to check and fix disk errors in Windows operating system? The answer to this question is option D, chkdsk. Question 20. What is the shortcut key to open Windows Task Manager? The answer to this question is option D, Control plus Alt plus Escape key. Question 21. The fill in the blank is a database used by Windows operating system that stores the settings for hardware, software, and user settings. I'm not sure about this answer, but maybe the answer to this question is option D, that is registry. 22. What is the Linux command to terminate a running process? The answer is option C, kill. Question 23. Which of the following clauses in SQL select statements is used to filter the rows as per the given condition? The answer to this question is option A, where. 24. Which of the following SQL statements is used to add a new column in a table? The answer to this question is option B, update table. Question 25th asks, which of the following languages is used as scripting language in HTML documents? The answer to this question is A, JavaScript. Question 26 asks, which of the following is a DDL SQL command? The answer to this question is option B, create. Question 27 says, which of the following SQL query will find the number of records in a table X for which the column Y has a value of more than 70? The answer to this question is option A. Question 28. Which of the following attributes must be defined in an input element in HTML form to ensure that it is not left blank? The answer to this question is option A, required. Question 29. Which of the following programming languages is used to create macros in MS Excel? The answer to this question is option B, VBA. Question 23. Which of the following CPU components generates timing and control signals for executing an instruction? The answer to this question is option B, control unit. Question 31. The term SSID is associated with which network? The answer to this question is option B, Wi-Fi. Question 32. How will you insert the symbol less than in HTML? The answer to this question is option C. 33. Question asks, which of the following is a popular GUI, that is graphical user interface, Linux desktop environment? The option is A, GNOME. In this particular word, G is silent. Question 34. Which of the following network devices operate in layer 3 of ISO-OSI reference model? The answer to this question is option B, router. Question 35. The process of writing data on a CD is also known as fill in the blank, data to the CD. The answer to this question is option A, burning. Question 36. Which of the following is not a relational database management system? The answer to this question is option C, MongoDB. Question 37. Which of the following boxes is not present in CSS box model? The answer to this question is option C, header. Question 38. Which of the following is the correct SQL query to fetch the rows from the EMP, that is the short form for employee, table having salary less than 5,000? The option to this question is D. Question 39. Which of the following is the correct SQL statement to delete a database table? The answer to this question is option C. Drop table, table name. Question 40. Which of the following is a correct CSS rule? The answer to this question is option D. Question 41. Which of the following HTML tags is used to include an external CSS file in a web page? The answer to this question is option B, that is link. Thank you friends for listening to these videos. Hope you enjoyed it. In case you liked my video, please do share it. Thank you.